Dell 3 beep sound, 5 beep sound. Dell beep sound non-stop. Solution. Open battery. Open 2 screw. Take some like this tweezer, then remove CMOS battery, then change some other battery same to same, like this. Any battery can change battery, CMOS battery, then put on battery, put battery again and turn on laptop and check sound again coming or not. You can check now, no coming again any sound. This problem because of CMOS battery, that battery. If Dell 5 beep sound coming, that means CMOS battery problem. We need to change CMOS battery. Already solved our problem. Thanks for watching.